Before we start on the report, can you still remember why WSH performance indicators are important? That's right. They are used to review if objectives of countermeasures have been met. As part of the plan, do, check, action management process, they measure the organization's WSH performance against its set targets. Let's look at the different types of performance monitoring records in detail. We will begin with WSH parameters measuring records. These include relevant records for calibrated equipment. To achieve accuracy and effectiveness, experts are required to measure and analyze the records. Inspection reports show non-conformance, unsafe conditions, and implemented corrective and preventive actions reported by respective persons in charge. External or internal audit reports show the current WSH status of the working environment. They are then compared with previous audit reports to monitor the WSH status of the working environment. High noise levels and poor air quality are hazards that need to be monitored. Rectification is carried out for any non-compliance with WSH legal regulations or requirements. Performance indicators and trends reflect WSH working conditions over a time period. They reveal the organization's commitment towards improving the working environment and behaviors. Equipment inspection records and calibration records of monitoring equipment are used to ensure effectiveness of equipment. These reports can be used as documentary proof during government inspections and for auditing purposes. These are not the only records we need. Let's look at other records required. WSH data are performance indicators reflecting the organization's WSH conditions. In compiling a company's WSH report, there are various types of WSH data to be collated. Here are some of the few that must not be missed. First of all, noise exposure levels and air containment levels. These indicate the health of the environment. Countermeasures will be implemented if readings exceed acceptable levels. We also have incident reports. The number of incidents reflects the WSH status improvements that should be implemented if the number of incidents increases. The man days should also be taken down. Man days can be calculated using the number of workers working times the number of days. The number of man days lost due to incident or occupational illness has to be measured. Such man days lost indicates that something is not right at the workplace and countermeasures are needed to improve the WSH environment. Accident costs consist of injured personnel medical costs, work progress delay costs, machinery or material replacement costs, and rectification costs. They show the financial impact of work hazards and increase management's support for countermeasures to reduce the risk of accidents and to improve the organization's WSH conditions. Can you still recall the 7 proactive performance indicators we covered earlier? Let's pause here and see how many you can remember. That was indeed a long list of indicators. Now, let's move on to audit reports.